A small, easy-to-drive Class A motorhome that sleeps 4 people. Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. They call me the Honey Badger because I give it to you straight and transparent about the RV business. This is the Thor Axis 24.1. It sleeps 4 to 5 people, under 26 feet in total length, and is really easy to drive. Now, if this is the first time you have seen one of my videos, I do about an 8 to 10 minute walkthrough of the entire motorhome and talk about it without any sound effects, special effects, or weird editing. So let's get started. By the way, you're gonna hear some background noise. We have some construction going on here. If you can't tell, this is a pre-owned 2016. It has less than 30,000 miles. It has frameless windows. Now, the Thor Axis and the Vegas are the same coach. Same motorhome, different name. Same floor plans, same options. Has a backup camera, slide out, hitch in the back. It does tow 5,000 pounds. No, you can't have my In-N-Out soda. It has a nice size power awning. It covers almost the entire side of the motorhome, at least the camping side of it. Outside entertainment, which includes a TV and speakers. Now, I didn't open up any of this because it's 111 degrees outside. So I was trying to get inside the motorhome as fast as possible. But if you'd like pictures, you can contact me through email in the description box below, and I can get you pictures of that on a cooler day. All right, let's close the door. So this sofa is not standard with this motorhome. This actually was added by the customer, but it does fold down into sort of a futon. So you can sleep one person, maybe 2 little kids there. Nice deep storage in the cabinets. As you can tell, the cabinet faces are in good shape. It's got a drop down bunk bed. How that works, the engine has to be off. You come over to this key, it's in the on position, and we're gonna hold down and lower. Now this motorhome has a little less than 30,000 miles on it. If you'd like more information of what the owner is trying to sell it for, I have the link to the dealership it's at in the description box below. You can also contact me directly through social media or through my email if you'd like to work with me directly. So these are the tables that go with it. The one that goes in front of the sofa for right over there. And then you got the smaller one that goes in between the driver and passenger seat. As you can tell, the driver and passenger seats are in good shape. Dash is in good shape. It is on the Ford chassis. So we're gonna raise it back up. That means it is a gas. Slowest part of the entire process is waiting for the bunk bed to go up. It does have an electric drop-down shade. And one of the biggest advantages in this motorhome compared to a Class C is that you have the big, huge windshield and the big windows on the side. Unlike a Class C motorhome where you have more of the truck windshield and the smaller windows on each side. So to me, it's a little bit easier to see, a little easier to drive. That's just based on my opinion, okay? You let me know what you guys think in the comments section. Coming into the kitchen, again, you can see the cabinets are in really good shape. You got good storage on top for bowls, plates. I like the one-piece sink here. I think you could fit a decent sized pot in there if you're gonna do like pozole, chicken soup, chili, things of that nature. 3-burner stove, microwave. You throw a little pizza, a little turkey in there. It does not have an oven. And that's very typical of smaller RVs anymore, is they don't typically put the oven in because they'd rather put drawers and storage. Now, as you can tell, the drawers are really easy to open and close, and they shut really tight, so they're not gonna pop open on you on the road. You also have the counter extension to give you more prep space. See, they open and close very nice and smooth, as you can hear. Propane electric refrigerator. So old school, we're not going the new school 12 volt. Okay, over here, you got your closet. Big, deep for hangables. And then more drawers. So you got a lot of storage in a little 25.5-foot motorhome. You actually take a tape measure to it. I think it's like 25 feet 6 inches. So having that small of a motorhome, you'd expect less storage, but there's plenty of it all the way around. You got the twin bed set up and lots of deep storage in the cabinets. It does have an onboard generator, Onan 4000, that runs on gasoline. Feeds off the gas tank that goes to the motor. Flat screen TV here. And the full bathroom, including a shower that does not have the toilet and the sink in it. So it does not have a wet bath. It actually has separation, toilet, sink, and shower. So it's what I call a real bathroom. A lot of motorhomes that you get, a lot of travel trailers that you get at the side, not every one of them, but there's a lot of them that have a wet bath. So inside the shower is your toilet and your sink. Specifically, mostly like your small Class B motorhomes. So let's say, for example, you're in the Mercedes van. Most of your Mercedes vans are 24 feet or bigger. Not all of them, the majority of them are 24 feet and bigger. This is about 6-7 inches longer total length, and you get more. You get more space, more storage, more cargo capacity, and you get a real bathroom. Now, if you have any questions, again, you can put them in the comments section. You can also contact me through email or social media in the description box below. The dealership this is located at will be in the description box below as well. And in the top right-hand corner of this video, there's another small motorhome that I think you'll like, just like this one, and it's easy to drive. Until next time, remember, toolkit and sense of humor.